Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. And in this today's class, we will be discussing about a very important topic, considering today's time where people are involved so much in their phones, in their tab, laptop, social media. So like how to get over this phone addiction. What are the small little steps with which you can start, and eventually you can see reduction in your time you are spending on any screen. So that is called screen time, right? How to reduce your screen time, that is what we will be discussing. And it would be very important, guys. Suppose, say, for a day, if you are spending say around half an hour or something on your phone, it's all right, fine. But if it is 3 hour 4 hour, then definitely you need to reduce the screen time, right? So what are the steps which you can done? First thing, keep yourself on a schedule. It is very important that if you keep yourself on a schedule where you know that during this time this work has to be completed, keep yourself on a tight schedule. So in that regard, when you are keep doing your work, when you will be doing your work, your screen time will automatically reduce. For example, morning will be your school time. After a while, coming back, as soon as you come back, you have your lunch. That time you can watch TV, right? Then after that you can do your homework. Evening you can go outside and play outdoor games, right? During night you can have some self study and then sleep. So in this way, suppose if you manage your time, so you'll get very little time to say use your phone or have any screen time, right? So keep yourself schedule and keep yourself on tight schedule. All right, give yourself some time for your games, give some time for your studies, give some time for your hobbies as well. Okay, next thing is turn off as many push notifications as possible. That's a very good thing. So see, in your phones you'll have a setting to change the notifications, that what notifications you want to receive or not. Now when I want to work now, guys, I will even say remove the notification of WhatsApps as well, like WhatsApp, because many of the important work you'll be getting through WhatsApp or some messages. So I'll remove even that as well. I don't want notification of WhatsApp also. So in that way, how does it help me? I'll keep my notification to zero. I'll keep my notification to zero when the phone is locked. Now, when my phone is lying, I'm not getting any push notification. I will not be looking at my phone at all. And whenever I will require my phone, say I have time now I can look at my phone, I'll open my phone and I'll get all the notifications and then I can watch. Or I'll open the app WhatsApp, and then if something is necessary, then I can see it. Because see, if there is something very urgent, I'll get a call regarding it, right? So rest everything can wait. So turn off as many notifications as possible, because your notifications makes you tend to look to your phone again and again. All right, then take distracting apps off from your home screen, like small little apps which makes you keep watching at phone, say Instagram, है ना, where you spend a lot of time, है ना? So games. So these apps where you like open once and you keep on watching that for 2 3 hours, you don't even get to know. Do get yourself away from these kind of apps, and if possible, I would say first, if possible, remove the apps. But if you don't want to remove it, at least make it little hard for you to get it, and also fix time for that as well, that you can. Okay, one more thing, guys, in your phone now, they go see, because I do that, I do that. So in your phone there is a option in your settings which is called digital well-being. Okay, there's an option in your settings, you'll find out. In Android, I know there it is. In iOS it must be there. So digital well-being and parental control. So in that you can use timers. You can use timers for all the apps which you want to use. So suppose you put a timer of 15 minutes of Instagram. So after that, your Instagram, once you have used Instagram for 15 minutes in a day, after that your Instagram will not open. Now it will open next day. So that way your time for the screen will automatically reduce. This is like a forced trick on you, like you don't want to use it more than that, reduce the timing. So now if you cannot open it, obviously you'll do something else. Okay, so that also you can do. And keep your device out of it, guys. This is very, very, very important. Keep books with you in your bed, but not mobile phone or any screen. Before you are sleeping, read a book, not watch your phone. You will see the difference in quality of sleep. Try both. Try both means what? You already have tried using phone a lot. Try reading a book and then you sleep. You will find yourself in such a good state of sleep. It will be like without any dreams or anything. A proper deep sleep you will be getting. So keep yourself away from the screen at least like 1 hour or 2 hour before your sleep timing. Do not look at any screen. Indulge yourself with talking with your parents, talking with your friends, and talking with your siblings, reading something like that. Stay away from the screen. All right. One bonus tip, guys, like if you are able to complete all these, if you are able to challenge all this and you are able to overcome those challenges, you are actually able to reduce your screen time. Give yourself a little reward. Give yourself a little reward by eating your favorite food or spending a little more time on your hobby or something like that. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. So these are the steps, and yes, before we go ahead, please don't forget to like this video. And for registration to Vedantu's Pro subscription, you can register for the upcoming 2 year course for Drishti JE batches as well as Drishti NEET batches. For those students who are giving grade 10th exam and then will be going for 11th and 12th. For those students who have come to grade 10th, you can do the pre-booking for grade 10th. There you are getting a good price, and so you can go ahead with that course as well. And for 8th to 9th month, you can go ahead with the grade 9th course as well. Okay, bachcho. So GPE Pro will be your code to get 10% off. Thank you so much, guys, for liking this video and coming to this video. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new over here. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys.